Okay guys, I'm going to teach you today how to make some really cute, really affordable and really sort of handmade little name cards for your wedding table. The next step is you'll just need a marker. I've just used a marker. You could alternatively put this paper in the printer for a really finished look and print the name tags out. You could even use paper like this or do something like this to print off table menus, which would also look really effective and really nice. But just for today, I'm doing little name tags for the table, and I have just used a marker just for a really sort of raw, natural look, but you could alternatively print it. And on my large piece of paper, I've just measured with a ruler straight sort of dimensions and written the names in the spaces. And then I've used the ruler after that to actually tear the paper, because I just find that the torn paper creates this really sort of organic edge that looks a lot nicer than just cutting it. It looks sort of, rustic, and yeah, it just looks really nice. So I've torn the name tags out of that. And then the next step is just to grab some yarn like this. This is just a cheap one from the $2 store. And I've just cut little pieces to length that I will need. And then I've just tied them around the name tags like that, which just adds a little bit of decoration to them. And I have also, you don't have to do this, but rosemary, just a little sprig of rosemary, and you can either just kind of tuck it in there with the name tag or put it like up the top next to the name tag with your cutlery. And that just adds a little bit of decoration and looks really cute as well. So yeah, that is my DIY of how to make a really original, very sort of tonal, nice name tag for your table without spending hardly anything.